How to import a DVD into Final Cut Pro 7 was the first video on this channel, and after 8 years, it's still the most viewed. A lot has changed in those 8 years, including the release of Final Cut Pro 10. Hi, my name is Jared, and today I'm going to show you how to take a DVD and convert it into a file that you can edit inside Final Cut Pro 10. A quick disclaimer. This process should only be used with content you have the rights. As an example, I have a DVD that contains my friend's wedding video. I shot and edited this video, and now he would like a digital copy. If you're unsure, consult someone who can provide you professional legal advice. Despite that disclaimer, and the one that you see before most movies, people still try to copy DVDs that they are not allowed to. Copyright protection is the result and can be the cause of many issues in the following process. At the end of this process, the video will be converted into a file and imported into Final Cut Pro 10. Final Cut is only available on the Mac. Although the Macs look great and thin, Apple was able to achieve this by removing bulky items like the DVD drive. So the first thing you'll need to get is a DVD drive that you can connect to your computer. Apple sells a USB SuperDrive for $79, but you can also find less expensive USB drives on Amazon and other stores. With the DVD drive in hand, connect it to your Mac and see if the DVD plays. Next, we need software to convert the DVD into a file on the computer. HandBrake is a free open source video transcoder and will read the DVD without requiring additional software. After downloading the app from handbrake.fr, open the disk image and make sure to drag HandBrake into your Applications folder to complete the install. To convert the DVD using HandBrake, open the app and select the DVD as the source. HandBrake will attempt to scan the DVD, which may take a few moments. Verify the expected time is displayed. This wedding video is an hour long, so I see 1 hour, 0 minutes, and 2 seconds. Some DVDs have multiple titles. If you don't see the expected time, check for a different title. By default, HandBrake will encode the entire title, but you can choose to import just a specific time. I'm going to scan the first 100 seconds so you don't have to sit through the entire scan. But remember, if you're only going to use a specific part of the DVD, try to select it. This will save you time as you don't have to sit through the entire encoding of the DVD. Video also takes up a significant amount of storage, and encoding will fail if the storage fills up. Next, click the Browse button to choose a name and location for the saved file. If you understand video encoders and want more control of the export, manually adjust the remaining options here. However, the right side includes a list of presets that make this part much more manageable. Just select the quality you want to achieve or the device this video will be added to. In our case, we're going to edit this in Final Cut, so I'm going to select Super HQ 1080p 30. With the source, destination, and settings in place, press the Start button. During this time, monitor the progress at the bottom of HandBrake as it creates the file. Once completed, import the file into Final Cut Pro 10 and editing can begin. If you have found this video helpful, please like it, and if you're having issues, leave a comment, tweet at Final Cut Pro Help, or send an email to finalcutprohelp@me.com. Subscribe for future videos and have a swell day.